another episode of Ninja Warrior Fam, where we share tips and tricks from our obstacle racing adventures. My name is John, and this is my helper, Celeste. Say hi, Celeste.
Hi.
And today, we are going to show you how to build your very own floating monkey bars, aka Gibbons Experience. Almost identical to what you saw at the North American Obstacle Course Racing Championships just a little while ago here. So I hope you're excited. Now first, let's go over what we need in order to build these, because there's quite a few pieces. As you can see, there's a lot going on here. So Celeste, would you hand those to me?
Yes.
Yeah. Alright, so you are going to need some lag bolts to hold this together, and of course washers to go with them. An eye bolt, I recommend a steel zinc-coated shoulder eye bolt that's fully wrapped around. As you can see, this one is without a gap. With those, we're also going to need some drill bits. Whatever size you end up using, just size down 1 or 2 sizes. Leave yourself enough that you're going to get a good bite from the bolt, but that it's not going to be completely impossible to screw it in, especially the eye bolt, because it's not sharpened, right? It's flat on the top, so you got to go pretty close. Core works fantastic for this. That's what I'm using. It's super strong. You can get some interior structural 2x4s at any local hardware store. If you're going to make 4 of these monkey bars, which is what we're doing, then you're going to want probably 2x4 by 10, I think, would give you enough wood. You're going to need something to cut that wood, so you can easily use a handsaw or power tool. Keep in mind, only an adult should do the cutting, right? Kids, not part of that. It won't be in the room when it happens. We're going to keep it safe here. So you're going to need a cradle. I found some shoulder braces here. These work really fantastic. As you can see, they've got a nice V shape there to catch it. And you can screw them right onto your 2x4. You'll need some screws to go along with them. And then you're going to need some rungs. Now, if you saw the pegboard DIY video, I covered making these in there. It's exactly the same wood we're actually using. These actually are the pegs to our pegboard. So these are 8 inches long oak dowels. They work fantastic for both the pegboard and the floating monkey bars. So 2 for 1 right there. And you can see what the finished product is going to look like. You can hang this just about anywhere. Just keep it safe, make sure it's going to support your weight, and you're all set. Celeste, did I forget anything? Oh, yeah, well, you're going to need, of course, something to screw the screws in with. So I've got an attachment for my socket wrench. You can also, of course, just use a regular old screwdriver, although it can sometimes get a little bit tight because I like to bolt everything together before I screw the cradles in to make sure that they're even. All right, well let's get building.
Thanks for watching the video.